How do you trade the New York session when we get a 1,000-point Drake candle before the session actually opens? You don't. And this is what a lot of people do not understand. I woke up today, was on my way to the gym, and I checked my chart and I see this. I generally thought that my chart was glitched. Okay. Didn't know what to say. I checked in chat. I'm like, hello. I'm like, is this real? I'm like, is my chart wrong? And the second I saw this candle, I knew New York was going to be cooked. Okay, one of the first lessons ICT teaches in his mentorship is what comes after expansion, consolidation. See, here's expansion. Now we're just kind of flagging. That's just what price does, and that's how price moves. Think about it. If you, I'm making an options video very soon, how I trade options, and in this video, I'm going to explain how options move. But basically, with options, right? Too many people or too many retail traders win on this trade when we go up. And what happens is when the market actually opens, the market makers, they just won't let price go up anymore because there's a certain level that we reach where there's going to be a lot of hedging involved. And it just keeps price down or kind of keeps it dimmed down for the rest of the session because again, market makers do not want retail traders to win. And it's not the market maker specifically, like you can't, it's not a market maker at the New York Stock Exchange like, oh, I hope they lose. It's just all the hedging involved. And if the market went up here, do you really realize how many retail traders would have probably printed? Because like, oh, big candle, right? I'm gonna long and we're gonna print more. But that's just not likely to happen because then too many people would make money. It'll be too easy, right? So you have to understand one thing: a candle like this overnight or before market open just means that we're not gonna get a good move because hedging and a lot of other things. I'm going to go over the trades that I did kind of like, but even I would never have taken my live account. Okay. The first trade I tried this. I actually only tried one trade today. I tried this short and I was a 5-minute short off open. I took the close. I put a stop at the high of the candle and I targeted here and I went break even here. So this ended up being my only trade of the day. If you look at my executions, are we logged in? But I posted my execution Discord and I went break even. I knew if we were bearish, I would have been right and we would have flushed through this, but we did not. So I got stopped out for break even and you can see it saved me. A couple other trades people were asking me about was this 5-minute. Was this 5-minute good? No, it was not obvious. We were not delivering off anything. Would it have been good if we wicked down here? Yes, it would have been way better if we wicked down there, up this liquidity. And I was looking for like a move today into this hourly gap and we just never got it. So nothing really to do. I was literally just looking for this. But no dice. So I didn't like that 5-minute because we weren't really delivering off anything. There was no context. There was no fair value up here. It kind of worked, but you definitely would have gotten wrecked before it worked. What else? Not really much else. I didn't really talk about much else. A couple people asked me about this 1-minute. I said this was a complete pattern trade. It would have stopped you out if you did the close below the stop or the close below the candle. And yeah, price action is dead. And I think what you guys need to realize is unless you are finding trades that are looking like this in my trade recaps, like look, V shape into hourly, V shape, good price action. It's very simple, it's very clear. V shape, displacement, right? If you guys look, swap this low, V shape. Unless you're seeing price action that looks like this, I tend not to trade. Just this is not V shape. Look at this. Really slow, really dead. It's just not what you want. So no trades for me today. We're gonna come back tomorrow and hopefully get something. And yeah, don't forget to use code Dodgy. Peace.